let's go ahead and unbox these Ulta Beauty mini brands. You can have any one of these. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are wrapped really good. Oh my goodness! 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have a little Tarte concealer. I had no idea, guys, that they had different shades of the Tarte. NYX, it's the butter gloss. This reminds me of like a few Christmases ago. I got the whole, I think it was advent calendar with all the different NYX lippies. Oh, this is addicting. I need more. I got the Epic ink liner. How can this be only $9.99? This should be $20. Look at that. I actually owned this. This is like probably my favorite gift. I don't know. I've literally spent more on myself than I did on anybody this year. The little Quay. Girl, I can't. This is way too cute. I had no idea there were that many of them. Binge watching these unboxes. I didn't see any of these. Redken. Okay, cute. She's cute. I've never tried Redken before. This. It's perfect. Okay. So made with certified recycled plastic. Good. I think 3 is enough. So satisfying. How do they come up with this? Look at the detail on this. You guys are... This is the Dry Bar brand. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a little straightener. It's so cute. Comment if you want me to make little pin cushions with these. I got my hot glue guns. I love a good DIY. Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh, it's the Elf Jelly Pop. Oh my gosh, look, the cap comes off. OMG. What? This fell on the ground. Oh my gosh, it's another Quay. Oh, this is so cute. I think I know which one this is. This cap comes off. The detail on this is just insane. Yes! Buns of Glory by Truly Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I actually own this. I bought it because it was so beautiful. This is extremely mini. Oh, look how many there are. Eye slips. I didn't get a lot of these elf ones. Why are they holding out on me? I want all of these. Oh, and the last one. Super Goop. I've never tried this brand because I always use Korean sunscreen, but everybody knows Super Goop. It actually comes off the cap. How detailed is this? This is worth it for only $9.99. Molecule, and also I've never tried. Okay, I got another Redken. Good Molecules, niacinamide brightening toner. And white. Okay, and then I got a Monday. Okay, so cute, pretty. Let me go ahead and show you everything that I got. My minis. Oh, that was so satisfying. I'm glad I did it. 3 was more than enough. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.